We'll guide you through how to make an infinite water source in Minecraft. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. And this guide works both Minecraft Bedrock and Java. So we've got two methods. The first method will require 1 bucket of water and 1 bone meal, and the second method just requires 2 buckets of water. So for the first method, you just need 1 bucket of water. Firstly, dig a hole which is 2 blocks deep, just like this. And then all you need to do is place the water in the top block like so, and it will then drop down. Grab the bone meal and then right click it at the bottom like this, which will then go and give you seaweed. And then what you can do is break the seaweed, grab your bucket of water and go and grab the water from the bottom block like so. As you can see, we've now left the source block, and then what you can do is dig around it and place the other bucket of water on the opposite side, and just like that, you've now made an infinite water source. For the second method, all you need to do is dig out 2 by 2 blocks and place 1 bucket of water and then another on the opposite side, and you'll make an infinite water source. If you found this useful, then please leave a like.